Hey guys, Joe here, back at it again with another tech review. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the newest microphone brand that just hit the Philippine market. Introducing the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. Now, for those people who are not familiar with Deity, Deity is the sister company of Aperture, the wonderful people who've been producing high-quality lights at an affordable rate. Now, having said that, we are going to do an unboxing, we are going to do a full review on the product, we are going to compare the product with other brands that are currently in the market, and I'm going to give my final thoughts on what I think about the product. So let's go and start with the unboxing. So inside the box, you have the usual manuals and warranty card. Then you have a very nice hard case that stores the microphone and the accessories you need for this unit. Inside the carrying case is the smart 3.5mm TRRS coiled cable, a USB Type-C cable, and lastly, the shotgun microphone with the Rycote shock mount and foam windscreen. So that's what's in the box. A little fact about this product is that it was picked for the 2018 Personal Views Best Product Award. So for a young company that just hit the market recently, I've been hearing a lot of positive reviews about it. First of all, this is the world's first smart microphone, meaning it can connect to your DSLR, mirrorless, sound recorders, tablets, phones, and most recording devices that has a 3.5mm microphone jack without having to use any adapters. I'll put a link down in the description for the list of these devices that are compatible with the microphone. Removing the windscreen, you will notice the microphone is made out of aluminum metal, which is quite rare for me to see, since most shotgun microphones are mostly made out of plastic. Also, it means that it can withstand different types of stressful environments but still being able to capture good sound. Turning on the microphone, you can just long press its single button. When the microphone is not yet connected to a device, the light will turn orange, which means the microphone is on standby. When a device is detected by the microphone, the light will turn green, meaning it is ready to capture some audio. If you are shooting in a very windy environment, the same button can set the mic's onboard low-cut filters. Just a single press, you can either set it to a low cut of 75 or 150 Hz. The microphone has an internal battery which you can charge using the USB Type-C cable. And what's good about it, if ever you run out of battery, you can still use the microphone while it's still plugged into a power source like a power bank. The battery's runtime is 51 hours, and it also has a standby time of 74 hours. By far, this is the world's only microphone with a stepless gain knob. So instead of setting your mic to plus 10 or plus 20 decibels, you can adjust the gain level by small increments instead. Deity has partnered with Rycote to design a one-of-a-kind on-camera shock mount. You can adjust the mount forward, middle, or backwards, so that you don't have to accidentally hit yourself when you're checking the viewfinder, because your head might hit the microphone. And the design is also great to balance when you are using a gimbal. Underneath the hot shoe is a threaded female mounting point, so you can either mount it on a friction arm or even your tripod. Now that we're done doing the unboxing and review part, let's head to Henry's and do a comparison with the other microphones. Hey guys, I'm here at Henry's and I'm gonna do a mic test for the Deity D3 Pro versus the other competing brands that are currently in the market. So now I'm gonna do a mic test for the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus facing directly towards me. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a mic test for the Rode VideoMic Pro. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro facing directly towards me. Okay, this is the mic test for the Deity D3 Pro. So this is the mic test facing directly towards me. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus facing 90 degrees off axis. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro facing 90 degrees off axis. This is the Deity D3 Pro at 90 degrees off axis. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus facing 180 degrees off axis. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the Rode Video Mic Pro facing 180 degrees off axis. And now this is the Deity D3 Pro facing 180 degrees off axis. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So that was the video mic test that I conducted at Henry's Circuit Makati. How did you guys find the performance of the microphones? Which one performed better? Which one canceled out the ambient noise better? Let me know in the comment section and give your thoughts and opinions. So after doing the review and comparison tests, here are my thoughts on why I would consider the Deity microphone. First reason, you no longer need to use external batteries just to power your microphone. If ever the battery of the microphone runs out, you can always use a power bank just to power it up while shooting. Second reason, I like that the microphone has a smart feature so that it can detect what type of device you are using, whether you're using a DSLR or mirrorless, tablet, or even your smartphone. So it has a big advantage, especially the convenience of switching different devices without even using an adapter just so you can use the microphone on it. The third reason is the stepless gain knob that is on the microphone. It's much easier now for me to control the level of the audio that I want to capture in a certain situation rather than to go to the settings on camera, which I will lose a couple of seconds and moments and crucial things that I need to shoot whenever I'm on the go. And the last reason why I would consider buying this product would be the value for money. Henry's is currently selling this at an SRP rate of 11,998 pesos, which is actually not that bad considering the leading brand of microphones is actually setting their price at a much higher rate. If you consider this product, you are getting a high quality microphone with smart features that has a stepless gain knob and a good packaging, which not a lot of microphones have in their package. Okay guys, this ends my tech review video for the Deity D3 Pro. If you guys consider buying the product itself, you can head to any Henry's branch here in Metro Manila and reserve yourself a unit. If you want to be updated on my next tech review video, go ahead and follow my social media pages such as Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Again, this is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next tech review. See you guys!